right, this is called the butterfly effect, and it is from Peter Nardi. And we're going to start with a mixed up pack here. You know, what I always tell my spectators is whenever I shuffle the cards face up like this, it really does a good job of mixing the cards up on the bottom, but it doesn't mix the cards on the top so well. So I always like to shuffle the cards face down as well, just to get those cards on the top mixed up as well, just to create a random order going all the way through the pack, okay? Now, what we're going to do is I want you to name any number between 1 and 13, because there's 13 values in a pack of cards. And whatever number you name, we'll stick with, and we're just going to deal down to that number just to get us started, okay? So let's say they pick number 8, right? So we're going to deal 8 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is number 8. Now this is a 4. Now, if you want, we can stop here and we can keep the 4, which is what fate is telling us, or I'm going to give you 3 chances to use free will. And if you would like, you can switch the 4 to any other number between 1 and 13. It's completely up to you. Do you want to use one of your chances at free will and switch it, or do you want to stick with fate and keep the 4? And let's say they want to switch it, and they want to switch it to a 10. Okay, so fine. We're going to count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is number 10, which happens to be a 10. Now fate says we have to count 10, or you can use one of your 2 chances left at free will, and you can switch it to another number. What would you like to do? And let's say we'll stick with fate. We'll stick with the 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Here we have a 5. Fate says we got to stick with 5, or this is your last opportunity at free will. You can change it to a different number if you'd like. And let's say they want to use their last chance at free will, and they're going to switch it to a different number. And let's say they go with, I don't know, maybe 7. Say, okay, we're going to deal 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 7, and that's a king. Okay, so a king has a value of 13. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and this is 13. And that happens to be a 6. Okay? I've got 4 cards left, so I can't deal any further. Fate says we've stopped there at the 6 of spades. So our output is the 6 of spades from a shuffled pack, and you made every choice as we dealt through the cards. You landed on a 4, a 10, a 5, and a king. Now, had you landed on different numbers, we could have ended up at a different position in the pack. Some of that you left up to fate, some of that you left up to free will. But do you believe that that was a free selection of a card, and that your free will landed you on the 6 of spades? And they're probably going to say, yeah, I landed on the 6 of spades with my own free will. And then I would say, well, at the beginning, I had a prediction on the table. It's been in view the entire time. It's never left your sight. I have a tendency to believe that it was fate that you would land on the 6 of spades. And then you've got a perfect match. That's called the butterfly effect from Peter Nardi. Real simple, self-working effect that can play pretty strong if you do it at the right time for the right audience. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. Take care.